Do you want to know how you can layer your skincare products to get the best out of your skincare routine? In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make your skincare routine work for you by layering your skincare products like a pro. So stick with me and let's dive into today's video. Also watch to the end of this video because I have a surprise bonus tip at the very end just for you. So let's begin, shall we? Hi, my name is Mary. Welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, it's a pleasure to meet you. Please consider subscribing, like this video, and leave your thoughts on this video below this video, I guess. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can layer your products to get better results out of your skincare routine. Now, buying products is one thing. Knowing how to layer them to get the best result is another, and it's also an important step, because if you have a lot of products and you don't know how to use them or when to use them, then you might have wasted your money because it's not going to work for you, or you might, even worst case scenario, end up irritating your skin, and I'm sure you do not want that. So that's what this video is for. I'm going to be showing you how you can layer your skincare products to form a good skincare routine for you. So let's begin. Before I begin this video, I would like to state that an important step in achieving your dream skincare goal is knowing your skin type. And if you don't know your skin type, I made a video about skin type. I'm going to be leaving the link in my description so you can go and watch that video so you can know your skin type. Knowing your skin type will help you determine what product to use and what product not to use. For example, if you have sensitive skin, you should know that you cannot use just any product because you might end up irritating your skin and giving yourself a skin condition. Same as if you have an oily skin, you might end up clogging your pores the more if you use cosmetics meant for dry skin. So watch that video, it's very important. Now let's dive into today's video. The number of steps in your routine is largely determined by how many products you have. For example, if you have 5 products, then you're going to have a 5-step routine. If you have 8 products, then you're going to have a 8-step skincare routine. If you have 50 products, you're going to have a 50-step skincare routine because each product is one step. But as I always recommend, choose quality over quantity. So it's not the amount of products you have that matters or determine if you're going to have a good skin or not. It is the quality of the products that you are applying on your skin. So whenever you're buying your products, read through those ingredients, make sure you're getting value for your money, and don't just be obsessed about how many products you have in your skincare collection. So let's begin. The first step to every skincare routine or regime begins with cleansing. Now, cleansing is the act of removing the dirt, the makeup, the excess oil from your skin and sweat from your skin. So if you're someone, maybe a makeup artist or a celebrity or whatever, but if you play with a lot of makeup, then you should double cleanse. Double cleanse means you have to use more than one cleanser or same cleanser more than once. Usually I'd advise you go in with an oil-based cleanser first, and then you can go in with a foaming cleanser or gel cleanser depending on your skin type. The next step is to exfoliate. Also, I made a video about exfoliation where I totally broke down everything you need to know about exfoliation. So if you're confused about what exfoliation means or types of exfoliation and what type of exfoliation will be good for your skin, then I'm going to be leaving another link in my description for you to go watch that video and get yourself acquainted with exfoliation. But basically, exfoliation means removing the dead skin cells from your skin so that you can open your pores and help your other skincare routine work better for you. So That is what exfoliation does. Usually, it's advisable that it comes after cleansing, and that's why you have your cleansing first and then exfoliating as the next step. The third step is the use of your facial mask. Now, facial mask comes in different shapes and size according to fit different needs. Yes. And serve different purposes. There are face masks that are meant to clean out your pores and to remove blackheads. There are face masks that are meant to hydrate and soothe the skin. There are face masks that are meant to treat acne and other skin issues. So depending on your need, depending on your skin need, you should buy your face mask, but your face mask should come after exfoliating, because when you exfoliate, you open up your pores. So when you apply the face mask, it's gonna go into your skin and then help your skin do whatever it's supposed to help your skin do. So after that, the next is to apply your essence. Now, essence basically helps to prep the skin to help it absorb your moisturizer and other products that you're going to be applying better. So this is the perfect time to apply your essence. After that, you apply your serum. Now, serums also come in different uses, different functions. So depending on what you like, there is a vitamin C serum, there is a retinol and others. But this is the point in which you apply your serums. Then after applying your serum, you go in with your eye cream. Now, eye creams are creams designed for the skin around below your eyes. They help soothe the skin below your eyes. They help reduce puffiness. They help reduce wrinkling and dark under eye circles. So that's what eye creams are for. You have an eye cream in your skincare collection, this is the time in which you have to apply it. After that, then you go in with your face moisturizer. Now, remember, your facial moisturizer should be different from your body moisturizer because they serve different purposes. And then your face creams have more hydrating and more nourishing ingredients that will help your skin glow more than your body moisturizer, so your body lotions. Also, your body lotions contain some chemicals that might not go well with your face because your face is sensitive. Finally, you go in with your sunscreen. Usually your sunscreen is supposed to be the last step to every skincare routine, following the moisturizer in which you have applied on your face previously. Apply your sunscreen. Now, I also did a video on sunscreen, so if you're confused about what sunscreen to apply, types of sunscreen, what type of sunscreen will be good for your skin, another link will be in my description to help you answer those questions. I made a video about that where you can watch and get the full download on that. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and also leave a comment letting me know your thoughts. And you can also let me know about videos that you like me to make for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And then I haven't forgotten, I promised a bonus tip. If you made it this far, you deserve it. My bonus tip for today, it's about your skincare. When your skincare routine, when applying your skincare products on your skin, usually you apply downwards, but for better circulation of blood and also to prevent wrinkling, face sagging and all of that, apply your skincare routine upwards, going up instead of going down. That's my bonus tip for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!